Hello viewers, welcome back my channel. Today I am going to show you how to paint hibiscus flower on fabric. I will show you step by step hibiscus flower easily. Here I have used pigment color which called Acramin color. You can use fabric acrylic color also. I have a cotton pillow cover. I'm sticking the cloth in the frame. I'm inserting a poly in the back of the upper part so that color will not spread on the lower part of pillow. If you want to learn more details, then watch the video till the end. You will see a tutorial video on how to mix color in the description box. I have already drawn hibiscus flower. Here I am mixing red and yellow color to making orange. I am going to paint the flower petals with soft brush, which 16 number brush. First with light color coating, then with dark color coating. I am using more dark color to highlight. Here I am using dark color to give the outline. That's why it looks fantastic. I am using 6 number soft brush for thin line. using blue color here to make leaves. Here I just sprinkled water to spread the color. Let it dry. Then I am giving finishing touch to use more dark color. I have made this dark color by mixing blue and red. Here using yellow fabric acrylic color, you can use white paste with yellow Acramin color. That's all today's video. Hope you will learn something new. If you want to learn something more to me, please let me know. I will answer you. If this video is helpful for you, please give a like and share. Do not forget to subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching. Have a good day. Stay safe. See you next video.